Hi, I'm Seth from Citizens Disability, America's premier Social Security disability advocacy group. If you're watching this video, probably either you or someone you care about has fibromyalgia, and you're wondering if fibromyalgia can qualify a person for monthly disability benefits from Social Security. As you probably already know, fibromyalgia is a condition that affects the way your body processes signals coming from and going to your brain. And it can result in heightened feelings of pain, in addition to issues with sleep, with mood, with memory, and fatigue. The pain alone can be quite debilitating, to say nothing of the other symptoms. As of 2019, doctors don't really know what causes fibromyalgia, but they do know that it seems to affect women in far greater numbers than men. Now, as to whether fibromyalgia can qualify a person for SSDI benefits, the short answer is yes, it can qualify you, but it's a little bit complicated. Just having a diagnosis alone from your doctor may not be enough to qualify. I'll explain it for you. The Social Security Administration lists a very wide variety of conditions, diseases, and illnesses that can qualify a person for SSDI benefits. And they list them in their manual, which is called Disability Evaluation under Social Security. Manual is also widely known and commonly referred to as the Blue Book. So the Blue Book also lists specific criteria for each of those conditions or impairments, and they're looking for those criteria to see if a person will qualify as disabled. As of 2019, fibromyalgia is not specifically listed in the Blue Book, but there's no reason to worry. If you have fibromyalgia, you can still qualify. If the symptoms of your fibromyalgia rise to the level of what's called a severe impairment that is bad enough to prevent you from sustaining work, you can qualify for the SSDI benefits. Because at the end of the day, what the Social Security Administration really cares about is whether or not your conditions, also referred to as medically determinable impairments, are severe enough that they will limit your functionality in a work setting. Now, you might have multiple conditions that combine to prevent you from sustaining work. So while fibromyalgia is not specifically listed in the Blue Book, it's still really quite possible to qualify for SSDI depending on the severity of your fibromyalgia symptoms, and also depending on whether or not you have any other medical conditions that could also limit your ability to sustain work. So if you come to our website, citizensdisability.com, you'll see that we have information that explains what a severe impairment is, what it means to sustain work from the point of the Social Security Administration. We also have articles that will explain other important parts of the qualification process. Work credits, for instance, and date last insured. We strongly suggest you check those out too, so you have a good understanding of what the process is like. But the important thing to remember from this video is that in order to qualify for monthly disability benefits, you don't necessarily need to have just one condition that meets those Blue Book definitions exactly. What matters is whether or not your condition or conditions combined will rise to the level of a disability. That's what matters. Now, if you or someone you care about has fibromyalgia and is thinking about filing a claim for Social Security disability insurance benefits, we highly encourage you to read some of those articles on our website that I mentioned, the ones that explain the qualification and application process. We also highly recommend that you contact a qualified specialist disability advocate, like us for instance, to get help with your application. We want to make sure that you have the best chance at getting improved. So if you'd like to see if we can help you, please, anytime, visit us at www.citizensdisability.com or call us 24/7 at the number on your screen to my left over here. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people with their claims since 2010, and no one in America handles more SSDI claims than we do. I hope this video answered your questions about fibromyalgia, and I hope to see you again soon. So until the next video, I'll just say thanks for watching.